Today we have the 2017 Volkswagen Golf. This vehicle has done just under 54,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access smartphone integration, radio and media, our vehicle settings, navigation and app connect. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below we have our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. If we press our mode button, we can switch between our 4 different driving modes: race, individual, eco and normal. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior.